Hello, my fellow YouTubers. Let's get right to it. So the big move was a failure. I realized once I put it over here that the table moved. And that was the reason I had that fixed stationary area. But I scooched it out so I can put a pipe here and a pipe there 90 degrees off of it. So I figured out to start out with the basics of Ed's magnetic current. And I have these 4 copper wires ran. 2 copper wires ran. And that's true east. That's south. That's north. And this is the line to west. So we have a reference point of how the electromagnetic true north is in reference to where I have everything set up. This will come into play as well, some experiments and things that we're going to focus on. Especially the bar that comes off the top of the pipe. I believe down at Ed's that it is running east to west on top of the wheel. And we can get into that in discussion. Here you go. Here's your cross reference point. And on the wheel, the cross reference point happens to be the handle. So the handle is equal on all 4 quarters of the reference point of the center there. Why is that important? Why is that important to know that that is east in that direction? And if we put iron in that direction, and we use ground and we pulse that system, we're going to see some current. Cool stuff here, guys. So let's go ahead and fire up. Let's put a 16 volts in it. Right now, we are tapping off of this wire. And we're tapping just the positive. The negative's still running through the chassis. So it's pulling itself back to the steel there, you can see. And you can see on the back of this PMH, you can see the compass is starting to move. I'm turning the wheel. You can see the whole thing shaking. Compass is moving. My switchy device over there is working. All right, stay tuned. Leave your comments. Peace out, my bro hams.